Hi moms, I made this delicious breakfast bar for my 7-month-old and you won't believe how easy and delicious it is to make. I wanted to have control over what she's taking and I just started to improvise as against the store-bought breakfast or cereal. And to make this delicious recipe, I made use of oats, which is the usual cocoa oat we would normally buy across the counter, and then I added some over formula milk the um to soak up the oats, and so that is well softened and soft enough desired texture for baby to eat, and once is well cooked. In order to further fortify this, I added some mashed banana, ripe banana, and so you could say this is similar to banana bread or baking a cake, but make it child friendly, make it baby friendly, and very packed with all the nutrients that is needed. After mashing the banana, I stirred it properly and incorporated it so well so that it could fill the pan, and you ensure that the banana spreads across all the food, and whichever bite your baby takes, it has the right texture and taste that you want across board. And I proceeded with adding some blueberries to the banana. My daughter loves blueberry a lot, and again, it's a good antioxidant, very good fruit for babies. And the next thing I did was to take this mixture into the air fryer. I used the air fryer to make this. You can make use of your oven, you can make use of air fryer, or whatever you have to do some baking. I cooked this for about 25 minutes at 180 degrees, and voila, is the best breakfast bar I could ever make for my baby, especially for children that are going through the baby-led sort of weaning. Once this was cooked, I brought it out of the air fryer and I cut them into thin slices just to make sure that every slice baby bite has the blueberry, has the banana, and has, all the uh, everything I want baby to eat, basically. And my baby enjoyed it. It was really soft, well moistured, and she really did enjoy it. Will I be trying this again? Yes. Will I be buying across the counter cereal such as the Weetabix and the rest of those for my baby? Yes. Will I be doing it now? No. Maybe at the later time. And just a quick recap, this was how it looked like after it was well cooked. It was so yummy. The blueberry was still kind of fresh and was good. And remember, I said I had to cut them into thin strips so that babies can handle it easily, like they can hold it. And that was it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. If you love what you see or what you've watched this morning, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, 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 and watch again and share. Thank you until we see you next time. And let me know what recipe you would like me to share with you. Thank you.